Hello. If you are in Italy and you want to go to another city, one of most famous useful ways is to take the train. And at this lesson we are going to know most useful and common expressions that you can use, and we will also have a simple conversation about trains. Okay, here traini means trains because train means il treno, and here it's la stazione ferroviaria, and it means train station. Okay, here is first thing, it's o'clock, and o'clock in Italian means orologio. Here is palitteria, or the place where you buy tickets. It called palitteria. And the verb of buying a ticket, it means fare il biglietto. Fare il biglietto is that to buy a ticket. Here we can see the train, treno. Here he is passenger, but in Italian he calls passeggero. Here is the driver of the train, and he calls postista. Here is young child or young baby looking at him, and in Italian he calls pampino, means baby or so young child. And here it's il binario o la ruota, and both I think means railway. And here she is a woman, and a woman in Italian called la donna. Okay, and at first we are going to learn that the conversation is between Mary and Anne and Mark. Mary said, "Eccoci alla stazione ferroviaria." Then Annie repeated, "Papa, prendiamo il rapido per andare a Firenze." Dad, are we taking the rapid train to go to Florence? Then Mark said, "No, costa troppo." No, it costs much, too much. Troppo means too much, and costa is costed because verb is costare, means to cost. Here Annie said, "Allora prendiamo il direttissimo." Direttissimo means the fast train. Then are we taking the fast train? Then Mark has said, "Si," and they are he is talking to the ticket clerk, and ticket clerk in Italian you can call him l'impiegato della palitteria. Here he asked him, scusi means excuse me, scusi, quanto costa un biglietto di andata e ritorno per 4 persone a Firenze? He asked him, "Excuse me," at first, "how much does a round trip ticket is to go and come back again, and data is going and ritorno is coming back to Florence for 4 persons cost?" Then l'impiegata, she's female, she has asked him, "Il direttissimo," the fast train? Then Mark said, "Yes, si," and l'impiegata said, "Scompartimento per fumatori o per non fumatori. And here fumatori means smoking. She asked him about compartment with smoking or not smoking. And the verb of to smoke in Italian means fumare. Fumare. And here Mark said non fumatori. L'impiegata said 100 euro, ecco I pellecci. 100 euros, here are the tickets. Then Mark said grazie. Grazie, he thanked her. Grazie means thank you. Quando parte il treno? When does the train leave? Then clerk said il treno parte alle 15:30. The train leaves at 15 and 30 minutes. Then we have l'orario means train schedule. Okay. And here it's for example, just for example,